Well, I won't be getting in there today. That looks like a soup kitchen. Welcome back to another episode, guys. I was actually gonna have a look at conditions today and go for a dive down here, but like I said, it looks like a soup kitchen, rough as anything, and the water's also green. So I'm gonna head to a little spot I know inside the bay. It's nearly high tide now, so I'm gonna go chase a couple of LUDERICK. I've been wanting to do this for a little while. Head down the beach and I'm gonna try and smoke one. So see you guys when I'm in the water.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all, no. I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. It's time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do.
That was a pretty sick dive. I got 4 LUDERICK, so I gave 2 to my old man for a feed, and I'm gonna head up the beach now and cook the other 2. Just gonna head home first for a warm shower.
But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down?
Okay, just got down the beach. Pretty nice down here, quite a bit of swell out there. So I'm just gonna set up right here and get the hot coals going, start the cook up. Okay, so while the coals are starting to get hot, I'll let them heat up for a little while. I'll start to clean my fish. Before I do that, I just want to duck up here on top of the sand dunes and give you guys a look at this view. Dead set great spot for lunch. Check it out, would yous? I dead set love this location. Absolutely amazing. Phew. Okay, so I'm gonna smoke my fish today. I bought these. I've never used them. I've never even smoked anything, so it's all new to me. Once again, winging it. So it says on here, soak the plank in cold water for at least 1 hour. So I'll do that now. Okay, drop the plank in the water. So while that's soaking, while my coals are getting hot, I'm gonna start to clean the fish. Okay, so these are the 2 fish I caught. So then I'm gonna save this one for dinner tonight with the missus. So I'll put that back on ice. So I'm just gonna clean and smoke the big one today. I'll start off scaling. I'm gonna smoke the thing whole. LUDERICK. Look at the size of him. Gonna eat well, I think. Providing I don't wreck it. As I said, I've never smoked anything before. Okay. It's all scaled, now I'm gonna gut him. So I might actually shoot down to the water and clean him out. Very rough out there today, guys. Glad I decided to go diving inside the bay. Alright, beautiful and clean. He's all ready to go and be smoked. Okay, so my coals are getting there. Starting to get nice and warm. Might just flip this plank over. We've got a little bit longer to go. Guess while I'm waiting, I just chill out. How good's this? Down here, not that many people around, a few people here and there. It's actually a nudist beach, so a couple of free willies hanging around. Oh, there's one over there. It's probably a bit hard to tell by the GoPro, but it's actually really rough out there today. Just over the weekend, it just got worse and worse, rough and filthy. That's why I decided to go for a dive inside the bay today. I knew where there'd be a few blackfish hanging around, and I've been wanting to smoke one for quite a while now. So I've just been waiting for a day like this where it's no good out in areas like this. So wait for high tide inside the bay and jump in the water. Yeah, the coal's really starting to get there now. Fair bit of warmth coming out of there. Come on, planky, planky, planky. So keen to try this smoked LUDERICK. I've just been wanting to smoke one of these bad boys for so long. Just haven't really had the opportunity until now. Down here on my own, solo mission. It's just been the best day so far. And it's just gonna get better. Once I put this fish in my mouth, you. Okay guys, the coals are done. Look at that. So I'll move all the coals up one end. So I've got a direct heat side and an indirect heat side. So I might just have to keep flipping the board around so it doesn't fully cook the fish too fast, or should I say smoke the fish. So just about ready. Throw that bad boy on. I'll throw my smoking plank on there. And now my fishy. How good does that look already? That came. That came. Throw our lid on. And now we shall wait. Okay, I'm just gonna check on this. Woohoo! It's getting a bit curvy again. Might actually put some slits in this. Just so it becomes less curvy. Like last time, it still tasted alright, but just a bit rubbery and curvy. So that might be a bit better now. Might flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. It's actually starting to smoke, bud. How good does it look already? Sweet! Oh my god, it's actually smoking! How you going, mate? So the ranger actually just pulled up next to me and told me the park's closed today. Well, the beach is closed today due to the weather. I actually thought the weather looked alright, but I guess because it's windy and swirly and probably dangerous conditions out there to jump in the water. So that means I'm gonna have to eat my fish in a hurry in a minute. It's just about done anyway. So I told him I'm gonna eat my fish first. So I'll quickly sit down, eat my fish as quick as possible, and then we'll get out of here. How good does that look? It's just about cooked. Flip this bad boy around for a couple of minutes. So let the other side cook as much as this side. And I reckon we're sweet. It's looking okay, but this is going to be my plate. Very close. So I got my cardboard plate here. Okay. And that's lunch. This looks really good. Needs a couple more minutes. Okay. It does have a really smoky smell to it. Time to sit down and see how this is. Does have a smoky flavour. Not bad. Could have probably done it in another couple of minutes, but I don't really have the time. The bush ranger will be back in a minute. It is quite nice, but nice white flesh. Definitely got a smoky flavour. What are you doing over there, mate? You a bit hungry too, are ya? Alright guys, I better scoff this down and get out of here before the park ranger comes back. He was pretty cruisy. He's like, yeah mate, all good. Finish your fish and just head on out of here, and then we're going to put up the barricade. So I better get out of here before they put up the barricades. See you on the next episode, guys. Peace out.